In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on reduce transparency on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to reduce transparency on your Apple Watch such that when you are scrolling through, maybe through the app settings like this, and you scroll up, this is going to reduce the transparency of the application while scrolling up, or this is going to increase the transparency. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily enable reduce transparency on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this layer for informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is just press the digital crown. Once you click on that, locate the settings icon and click on it. Then after that, you want to scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility, and you can even use the digital crown like this and scroll down until you get to accessibility. Once you can find that, click on accessibility. Under the accessibility page, just scroll down. Then there's a feature called reduce transparency. Improve contrast by reducing transparency and blur also backgrounds to increase legibility. Then go ahead and turn this on. Then once that is disabled, you should see the effect quickly. Then take a look at zoom up here. So while this is disabled, then I try to zoom. I try to move up a bit, then turn on reduce transparency. You should see that is going to reduce the transparency. See that? So that's how you can easily enable reduce transparency on Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.